Hello friends, welcome back. Here is a set of questions that are based on current affairs. Try them out. Let's start. Which state in India has the Amrabat Tiger Reserve? Could you remember? The answer is Telangana. It was recently in the news because a tiger census took place in that forest where it was found that the number of tigers have increased. So it was there in the news. Next one. Which institute has launched a new scheme named FASTER, or Fast and Secure Transmission of Electronic Records? Could you guess? The answer is Supreme Court of India. They recently launched this to send summons, bail applications can be received, the bail orders can be sent faster. Of course, physical transfer of bail order will take place after that, but first this electronic transfer will take place. So for that this scheme was launched. Next one. Who founded the National Institute of Design in India? Answer is, it is Veera Sarabhai. She was the one who founded the NID. When is the National Day of France celebrated? Answer, it's called Bastille Day. It is celebrated on 14 July. All over France, cultural programs, rallies, fun activities, they are organized. The day is 14 July. Next one. Which city is the venue for the SCO meeting of 2021, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? The answer is, it is Dushanbe, which is the capital of Tajikistan. India, Pakistan, China, all these countries will be participating. Okay. Next one. Which country has exported apples to India? This is interesting. Apples to India for the first time in 50 years. My God, 50 years. Well, the answer is the UK, the United Kingdom. Trade relations, this is considered a turning point because trade relation was almost non-existent between United Kingdom and India. With the sending of apples, export of apples from UK, this has started again. Alright. Next one. Who is the founder of the American aerospace company Blue Origin? I am sure most of you know the answer. Still then, let's say the answer is Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. He is the founder of this American aerospace company, and he recently traveled to the edge of the universe in one of the flights. It was there in the news. Next one. Which is the first Indian state, or you can say union territory, either a state or a union territory, which has achieved 100% first dose vaccination for COVID-19? The answer is Ladakh. Although it's a small state, but still then it's a very distinct record which they have achieved, isn't it? Next one. What is the name of the world's first commercial small module reactor, nuclear reactors, which is being built by China? China is building the first commercial modular reactor. The answer is, it's called Linglong 1, and this is approved by the International Atomic Energy Commission agency. Alright. Next one. Which is the only national park of Bihar? Bihar has only one national park. Which one is it? It is the Valmiki National Park. So friends, these are a few questions. Meet you again with a new set of questions. Till that time, bye bye.